factors disturbing the balance of nature. For hundreds of years, humans and other living creatures have continued their lives in their natural habitats and have lived their lives happily. Nature took care of the living creatures and they lived in great balance. With the Industrial Revolution and the increase in the human population, people began to seek more food and resources. Many factories were opened, and the gases caused by the chimneys of these factories affected the atmosphere adversely. Harmful gases caused by the factory chimneys have created a greenhouse effect, leading to a warmer world. The gases which are harmful to the atmosphere are caused not only by factories, but also by fossil fuels used for heating homes and businesses. The harmful gases emitted from these fossil fuels create greenhouse effect, causing the rays of the sun to affect the earth more, creates a warmer and an uninhabitable earth for the living creatures. The gases released into the atmosphere not only cause the greenhouse effect, but also cause the rains to be acidic. This affects plants and animals adversely. As a result of the increase in the human population, the use of fertilizers and different pesticides has also become a current issue. As a result of this fertilization and spraying, many plant and animal species are damaged. Because the plants we eat are hormonal, we are also harmed and diseases such as cancer are constantly increasing. These fertilizers and pesticides are not only seen in the applied areas, but are also carried to the seas and oceans through rains and groundwater. In this way, sea creatures are also harmed. As a result of the studies, traces of these fertilizers and pesticides were found even in the poles. Gases of car exhausts also pose a great danger to nature. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gases coming out of the exhaust paralyze life. It creates both the greenhouse effect and makes breathing difficult. These gases also cause the brains to be acidic. Chlorofluorocarbon gases in perfumeries and various chemicals used by people damage the ozone layer, that is, the cover of the world. Damage to the ozone layer means that harmful rays from the sun reach us without any hindrance. Harmful rays affect living creatures adversely. As a result of the greenhouse effect of these harmful gases and the depletion of the ozone layer, the glaciers are melting day by day, and this causes an irreversible process to begin. Electromagnetic waves produced by radio, television, and mobile phones that we use in our daily lives affect life adversely and threaten people's lives. In addition to its effects, such as cancer, psychological problems, and infertility, other harms also occur. When we throw the plastic materials we use into the nature, it takes hundreds of years to decompose, and as a result, the nature is polluted and damaged. The damage caused by nuclear facilities is also not to be underestimated. Years ago, because of the Chernobyl accident, millions of living creatures were harmed and nature was damaged in a negative way. In addition to these harmful factors, I cannot pass without mentioning the effect of noise pollution. Noise pollution, which causes negative damage to people, causes more stress and depression. The world has the capacity to take care of billions more people. If we had consumed resources consciously, we wouldn't have created any of these factors. We should not forget that Earth is not a legacy we received from our ancestors, but a place we hold for our children.